मैं पल्लवी कारलेकर। मेरे ब्रांड का नाम है गिफ्टिंग एंड डेकोर। मेरे पास कस्टमाइज्ड प्रोडक्ट्स है वेरियस टाइप्स के फॉर वेरियस एज ग्रुप्स, फॉर वेरियस सारे लोगों के लिए, मतलब बच्चों के लिए, बड़ों के लिए, लेडीज़, जेंट्स, हर एक के लिए मेरे पास कस्टमाइज्ड प्रोडक्ट्स हैं। इसके अलावा मेरे पास है दिवाली के प्रोडक्ट्स, जैसे कि लाइट्स है, दियाज है अलग अलग, उसमें बहुत सारे कॉम्बोज भी है। प्लस किड्स यूटिलिटी प्रोडक्ट्स है मेरे पास, जैसे कि किड्स के मास्क है, वेरी प्योर कॉटन के, वेरी गुड क्वालिटी 3 लेयर मास्क है, वेरियस अलग अलग कार्टून्स के थीम्स के मास्क है। प्लस उसके अलावा मेरे पास अलग अलग थीम्स के गर्ल्स और बॉयज़ के लिए, स्पेशली फॉर स्कूल गोइंग किड्स के लिए मेरे पास यूटिलिटी कॉम्बोज है, जैसे कि उनका स्कूल बैग है, पाउच है, कॉइन पाउच है, ऐसे अलग अलग चीज़ें, स्टेशनरी है, इस जैसे कि बहुत सारे मेरे पास चीज़ें हैं। तो आइए फिर हम देखते हैं मेरे कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स। दिस इज़ स्वस्तिक मैट। वी हैव गिवन 5 tea light holders for it. You can put 5 tea lights in it. You can use it as door rangoli, temple rangoli, or for any purpose. Put 5 tea lights in it. This is a swastik mat. This is a pom-pom thing, pom-pom balls, made up of pom-pom balls. We have put a bukram at back, and this is completely made in India. The price of this is 350 rupees. This is a swastik mat. Water censored floating diyas, lotus diyas. These are water censored. In a box you get 6 colors, 6 piece. One box contains 6 piece of 6 different colors. These are water censored. You can just put it in water and the light burns. Once you remove it from water, the lights goes off. 6 colors, 6 piece. The price of this is 480 rupees. 480 for one box, 6 candles. This is a 12-inch marigold mat. We have pom-pom included in this, and these are the artificial flowers. There is a bukram at the back of this also. There are 5 butterfly holders, tea light holders. You can hang it anywhere. You have got tea lights in it also. In each butterfly hanging you will get a tea light, plus you will get a tea light in this also. Plus apart from this you will get 6 water floating diya wax candles. Random colors, random shapes will be there. This is also again a pom-pom LED string, plug operated, 8 meter long pom-pom LED string. This is whole one combo. This whole combo consists of one marigold pom-pom mat. It is gold plated cards. Yes, the gold plated cards. That is the playing cards which we play with it. These are fully gold plated. This is a full cat. You can see all gold plated, non-tearable. You can use it as for gifting, your own use. All 52 cards, all cards in it. Price of this is one box is for 199 rupees. These are the masks. Currently I have boys theme mask with me. These are pure cotton mask. This is our own production. Pure cotton mask with 3 layers, 3 ply. Back side is pure white cotton, white colored cotton. This is easily stretchable, easy for kids to wear. Various themes are available, boys theme, girls theme, all themes available. More than 20 plus designs and themes are available both for boys and girls. The price for this mask is, pack of 5 is for 275, pack reduces. Shipping is extra for all the products. Shipping extra apart from this amount. 11 items. This is a girl theme available now with me. This is a unicorn fairy combo. This is the first bag, the school bag with 4 zips. 1, this is 2, 3 and 4 zips. Very good quality, very nice. Both sides bottle holder, very good quality. Steel handle given, the extra steel handle is also given over here if at all it breaks. Apart from this bag, this is a snap lock bottle, stainless steel bottle, leak proof, very good quality. Apart from this is a wristband, unicorn wristband. This theme is basically for girls. Unicorn. This is a wristband. This is a unicorn theme eraser. Pack of 3, 2 unicorn and 1 rainbow. This is a pencil and stamp set. This is a mirror and comb. Mirror and comb. This is a furry pen with 5 colors. Very good quality. This is very furry. This is a pen pencil with toy top of unicorn. This is a unicorn keychain. You can attach it to your any bag or anything. This is a sling pouch, unicorn sequence pouch, very cute. And this is a fur pouch, pen pencil pouch with 1 chain. Very cute for girls, very cute as girls. The whole combo consists of total 11 items. Bag size is 16 inches, 4 zips and the bag is waterproof. The price for this whole combo is 149. Pom-pom string. This is a pom-pom string. So this is plug operated. As we switch on the plug, see, very beautiful, very good quality LED pom-pom string. It is purely make in India product. We ourselves manufacture this. This is make in India, 8 meter long with around 24 to 26 pom-pom balls. These individual pom-pom balls. The colors are warm white and color is warm white yellow color. It is plug operated and price is 315. Very good quality. Next we have his rose string, rose LED string. This is also purely make in India product. I'll show you as we plug it on. This is a rose string, a netted, just 1 second, a netted thing is stick at the back and here is a rose. The string is on. This is also again pure make in India product. This is a rose string. 2 colors are available, white color and another is pink color also available. Price is 250 rupees for 1 string. So फिर कैसे लगे मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स आपको? अच्छे लगे तो जल्दी से मुझे व्हाट्सएप कीजिए ऑन माय नंबर 9819600828 या फिर मेरे फेसबुक पेज पे भी जा सकते हैं आप, जिसका नाम है गिफ्टिंग एंड डेकोर। मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे मेंशन कीजिए, कमेंट्स में मेंशन कीजिए, मैं आपको जल्द से जल्द रिप्लाई दूंगी। थैंक यू सो मच।